Hey friends, everything in this world is energy. We all are constantly communicating with the universe through our vibrational frequency. Our energy forms our vibrational frequency. And our emotions, how we feel all the time, makes our energy field. So if we are feeling positive within, if we are happy all the time, we are feeling blessed, there is a feeling of confidence, self-love, self-worth inside, only then we will be in the positive energy field. And when we are in the positive energy field, our vibrational frequency gets higher and we start vibrating in the frequency of that of our goals that we want to manifest in our life. But whenever we go through an array of emotions throughout the day's time, because of variety of reasons, we come across different people, situations, and we go through stress, anxiety, depression, anger. Because of our past experiences, we also go through regret, guilt, and many more emotions like this. So these different emotions form our energy field, and because we are not able to manage our emotions well or master them or balance them well, our energy field goes down, it becomes negative, and so our vibrational frequency becomes lower, and hence we keep attracting toxic people, negative situations, miseries, failures, sufferings, and we struggle to get what we want in our life. So you must have seen a lot of people working harder and watching a lot of motivational videos, reading self-help books, doing a lot of things, but still not getting the results. You would also have seen people who do little work, but they get their things easily in life, and you think that they are lucky enough. It's not about the luck, it's about the energy that they are in and what vibrational frequency they are in. So you need to work on your emotions and not on your vibrational frequency if you want to make sure that you manifest your life goals or manifest the life of your dreams easily, smoother, without struggle, without a delay. So there are 3-4 steps to it. First, you should be in the state of awareness. You must know what kind of emotions you are going through, what kind of emotions you hold within, because you must have experienced different kind of things in life. You must have come across different events. You must have had memories of past which could be painful, and there are a lot of emotions that are attached to events, memories, people in life. And so there are a lot of emotions within you that are not healed, that are wounded, that are still in pain. So you first need to know, you need to be in that awareness state. You need to understand that your emotions play a very important role, significant role in your process of manifestation. So the first step is self-awareness. Second is you must be in a position, or you must have the technique or tool that help you to clean your emotional body, that can help you to shed all your emotional poison. Understand one thing: whenever you express anger, stress, depression, anxiety, be it a response of the situations or the kind of people you come across, but it is something that you are experiencing first, your body is experiencing first, and that is what you are communicating to the universe. It is beautifully said that anger is nothing but a punishment that you give to yourself for someone else's mistake. So you punish yourself because of things that happen outside, and because your inner world is going through that experience, and that experience is getting communicated to the universe, you attract more of that. So you must know how to clean your emotional body, get rid of all these poisons. You must also know to align your positive emotions with that of your goals, because we really don't know how to be happy and how to use this state of happiness to create what we want. So the power is all within, but we don't know how to utilize that power. The humongous power can be a giant gateway for you to get whatever you want in life with ease, with success, right? But we don't know how to use that power because we don't know how to align it. So you must know to align your positive emotions with that of your goals. And finally, you must know to create the state of manifestation and maintain that, because only then you can be in the positive energy field and you can vibrate in the higher frequency all the time. When the cells inside you, when the thoughts inside you, when the feelings inside you are all vibrating at a higher frequency, everything inside you is cheerful, awesome, happy, confident, full of self-love, acceptance, and positivity. You are going to attract everything in your life easily and smoothly. But how can you do it? You must be thinking it's really difficult, and I don't come from spiritual background, I don't know how to do it, or I do not have that expertise, and I'm not good or good at managing my emotions, and I'm very emotional person. Can an emotional person like me be wiser enough to balance and channelize my emotions or manage my emotions in such a way that I can get rid of my negative emotions and create a life of my dreams? Well, the answer is yes. And through this video, I would like to invite you all to my 5-day WhatsApp workshop, in which I'm going to help you to do all of these things with the mind power tools, mindfulness, alignment exercise, self-love coaching, law of attraction coaching, and you will be getting techniques to shed all your emotional poison, to create the inner alignment, to create the state of manifestation. You will get the enlightenment of how you can maintain it, and many more things. There will be live sessions, there will be video lessons, there will be a live Q&A sessions, there will be exercises, activities, assignments, a lot of things. And these 5 days I'll be working personally with each one of you to help you heal your emotional body, to align your positive emotions with that of your goals, to create the state of manifestation, to protect you from all kind of negativity, and to maintain that state of resourcefulness so that you attract whatever you want in your life without any delay and struggle. So I'm sharing the link of the WhatsApp workshop along with this video. Click on it, know more about the workshop, and register yourself. In fact, I would want you to share this with all your loved ones, with your family, friends, relatives. Let everyone benefit, and it's just for ₹399. It's quite affordable. In case if you miss any of the live sessions, you get the recording to do the techniques in your convenient time. You get meditation, you get mind power techniques, you get exercises. You will learn a lot, and it is going to be super effective, transforming, and at the same time it will be very easy. This is a course for beginners, learners, experts, for everyone. I look forward to seeing you all with a very intense intention of helping you to heal and transform, and helping you to get what you want easily and faster. I have designed this workshop, and I really want to see you all there, so that you can stop suffering and start attracting the life of your dreams. Lots of love and blessings. See you in my workshop.